If you are just waiting for the motivation to come and kick you up the butt so you go and work out or cook that meal so you can start to lose weight, I'm here to tell you motivation is a myth. And here is how you can really get motivated from the inside to make sure you get those results. So hi, I'm Karis Anderson. I am a weight loss mindset coach, a fitness coach, and a body confidence coach. And I am here to help you level up your life, drop the weight you need, love your body, and live your dream life. So let's get into this today. So those kind of people that you look at and you go, how the blooming hell does she get up at 5:30 every morning, go to the gym, and how does she prioritize all this stuff in her life, even when she's got kids or a busy job or a business? Like, how does she do it? I want to be motivated like her, right? I feel like I need someone to just come around, knock on my door, drag me out of bed, drag me to a workout. I feel like I need a private chef to come and cook my meals for me. Otherwise, I just cannot get motivated. So if that sounds familiar, do let me know in the comments. But here's the thing, that person is not motivated from the outside. She is, number one, intrinsically motivated. Number two, her identity is 100% on point with her actions. Number three, she has a deep connection to her reason why she is doing it. Number four, she has great habits and routines. Number five, she is connected to the journey. Okay, so let's dive into each one of these. How do we get intrinsically motivated? We've got to make sure that our goals are not someone else's goals. They've got to be your goals. They've got to matter to you so much, and you have to connect to them deeply so much that it's an absolute non-negotiable that you don't become that person and reach those goals. Okay? If it feels like something you should do, or it feels like, oh, I probably should go work out and I probably should lose weight, you are never going to feel motivated to go and do the things. If you are like, I am so excited to become the strongest version of me, because me being strong in myself will bring me confidence in my life, I'll make more sales in my business, I'll show up to work as a better person, I'll show up for my kids as a better person. This has to be for me. I want to look this way for me. I want to feel this way for me. That is so much more connected than, oh, my husband said I should lose a little bit of weight, or the doctor said I need to lose weight to be a bit more healthy. Like, you have to bring it from the inside, and you have to connect to how amazing it's going to feel when you achieve these results, okay? That's what's going to get you out of bed every morning. That is the virtual, someone pulling your leg and pulling you out of bed in the morning. It's the connection to that. And remind yourself of that daily, whether it's you wake up in the morning and you remind yourself of your goals. You write it down, you while you're brushing your teeth, you're like, who am I showing up as today? I need to show up as the person who reaches these goals, and get excited about it. That's a completely different ball game. Also then, someone who is intrinsically motivated, they are not only fixated on the outcome. Okay, we're not just fixated on the outcome. We're not someone that's like, this workout will make me look this way, so that's why I'm going to do it today. We're someone that is in love with the journey. We're in love with how eating these foods makes us feel. We're in love with making this type of food. We're in love with being able to squat heavier, run faster, being able to take 45 minutes out of your day just for you. Totally in love with the journey. I love the way it feels to sweat. I love the way it feels to lift weights. I love the way it feels to walk in nature. I love the way it feels to swim in the ocean. I love the way it feels to fuel my body with amazing food. I love the way it feels to eat chocolate and not have to eat the whole bag. I love all those things. I love the journey so much. I love the journey so much. And someone who is a dieter will be fixated on the outcome, and someone who is of the journey mentality will be loving the journey, and that person is the one that's going to get long-term results. And you can hear when I'm talking then, the other thing is that it becomes our identity. So you've really got to make sure that each day you are in line with your new identity. So if you want to be someone that loses weight, you have to make sure you're stepping into that identity every day of someone who is more active, who cares about their health, who cares about their fitness. What does she do each day? You have to flip your identity, because if your identity is someone who's like, I'm doing a fad diet to lose weight before Christmas, then you will always be doing a fad diet to lose weight before XYZ. You will never keep the results. But if your identity is, I am someone that's fit and healthy, I am someone that takes care of my health, and likes to have a toned physique. I am that person. I'm that person who likes to feel strong. I'm that person who loves to get out in nature. I'm that person who loves to carve out 45 minutes for a workout because it's who I am. That's a completely different ball game. So how do you get into that identity? First of all, you have to visualize it. And then every single day you have to work on your mindset to remove the blocks that are stopping you from stepping into that identity. And you have to every day affirm that you are that person. Take action from that person's place. Okay? This is what my whole course, Quit the Struggle, is about. Getting you into that identity and moving from that identity. I'll pop the link to Quit the Struggle in the description as well if you want to come and join. But I think that that is a huge, huge piece. So you can see there, motivation for someone who actually does the things, they don't need a personal trainer. They will just go and do the workout, or they will seek out the personal trainer, right? I will seek out the fitness program. I will seek out the advice that I need because it's coming from an intrinsic place. I don't need that person to come and physically kick me up the arse every day because I've worked on my internal and intrinsic motivation. The other piece as well is creating those habits and routines around your life that just become non-negotiable and come really easy, and removing those old habits and routines that are holding you back. The motivation isn't needed. The willpower isn't needed because all the routines and habits are set up in place. Okay, so have a little think about those things today and pop in the comments any questions you've got on any areas of that. We'll be diving into different areas as we go forth with these YouTube videos. Just know, don't wait for motivation. You can bring motivation inside you. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and maybe send this video to someone that needs it. Have a beautiful day. I'll catch you in the next one.